Greenfield School and College online class. I am Nasir Farooq, lecturer Finance and Banking at Greenfield School and College. Today, I am going to start to solve some important questions. Uh, the subject name is Finance and Banking, and the chapter is the 11 chapters. The name of this chapter is Bank Deposit. This is most important chapter, especially student of class 9. Uh, Please attention this lecture. I hope you can understand if you attention this lecture. So student, today I am going to solve some important questions here, as I am also mentioned some questions. The first question is what is bank, the second question what is deposit, the third question is how many kinds of deposit, what is current account and what is savings account, the sixth is what is fixed account deposit, the seven, write the difference between savings account and fixed account. The seven, the eight is what is the main sources of bank deposit. The nine is what is e-banking. The 10 is what is the full form of ATM. The describe the facilities of card. We know that there are different kinds of card, just like different kinds of card, just like debit card and credit card. So inshallah I am describe all of the questions so that you can easily understand and you can easily realize this question and answer all of the questions from this chapter. At first, what is bank? Student, you know that the bank basically the bank word come from ancient or Latin word. It's uh, the barbarly or the wordly meaning is treasure or toll, long toll, or reward, any others different kinds of word. The basically the meaning of bank is reward or long tool or long branch. The explainly or briefly, the bank is the financial institutions who collected money uh, from the customers or from the people by applying different kinds of account. Basically, the main purpose of the bank is to make profit or to earn profit. When bank collected money from the people, they keep a lower rate of interest, and those collected money make a huge amount of investment amount and invest those money in the financial institutions, business organizations, or business or companies, the group of companies, a higher rate of interest. So the transactions or the bank is the basically midwifery who collected money from the customers and ultimately make money, and they give the loan in the uh, big project or in the industrial projects a high rate of interest. By applying this process, bank make profit. The second question, what is deposit? This is important question. A deposit basically bank, when bank collected money from the customers by different kinds of accounts, it's called deposit. The amount of this money is called deposit. There are three kinds of deposits, just like current accounts, the savings account, and fixed account. The purpose of this deposit behalf of the bank because of we know that bank is the financial institutions who has no the own capitals or own money. uh, the basically bank collected money from the customer, then collected money from the customer, then it's make a huge amount of capital, and from those capitals bank also allow the loan in the big projects, in the business organizations, a higher rate of interest. so it's called deposits. So when a client wants to collect money from the customer from the bank, then at first they need open a bank account. The against bank account, bank allowed or bank allowed to loan to the customers. That's why then the bank imposes a high rate of interest. Its another call is deposit. The third important question is how many kinds of deposit? Student, how many kinds of deposits we know? Basically, there are three kinds of deposits, just like of current deposit. The second is saving deposit. The third is fixed deposit. So, student, uh, when you asked the how many kinds of deposit, then we answered the easily. There are three kinds of deposit. So, current deposit, fixed deposit, and saving deposit. The next question is what is saving account? What is current account? Student, this is most important question because of uh, we know that there are three kinds of account in the view of the customer demand, because of customers always expect the difference, because all of the customer is not expected or is not same expected demand. That's why the different kinds of peoples open different kinds of account, because the three kinds of accounts gives by the bank different kinds of facilities. Just like so one is current account. The current account holders or the client who opened the current account, they get the benefited uh, some uh, some important issue. Just like so current account holders always in any time drawing the money and deposit money in any times into within 24 hours. uh, the basically current account holders used some people who transactions money in any terms into within 24 hours, just like some businessmen, business organizations, because of business related peoples always buy and sells product in the market. uh, for buying or selling the product in the market, they used the money or taka. So money always transactions one place to another place for collected money or for investment in monies. Just like so for these reasons they need a huge amount of money uh, whenever he withdraw the money or he deposit the money. So basically current account holders are the businessmen, or the businessmen always opening the current account, so that or for these reasons they also transactions money one place to another place in any times within 24 hours. The another benefit it is the current account holders gives the credit card and debit card. Credit cards such likes of cars, who is by using those cards a bank can get, or sorry, a customer can get benefited the loan from the bank. Suppose when one people buy or shopping, going to the market by shopping some product, if his account the current account money or deposit money is 10,000, when the total shopping price is 12,000, then the short money is 2,000. Ultimately for initially the bank offer him to give the loan 2,000 taka within the some interest rate. After the some time or after the time being, when the customer again deposits money in his current account, then the bank improves, or then the bank cut down 2,000 taka with the certain interest rate due to for his loan. This is the character of current account holders. That others was current account holders doesn't give the certain rate of interest or any interest rate. So student, I hope you can easily understand the Five number question: what is savings account? Savings account basically used the certain or the fixed income incomable persons, just like of job holders or student. Job holders, student job holders always uh, get a certain rate of amount or money after the time being, just likes of 1 month, 2 month after. uh, so uh, uh, the job holders peoples save some money, just like so 1000 2000 in the savings account. The benefit of savings account holders are they can deposit money in any times within 24 hours, but they cannot withdraw money above 2 times in a week. I mean 7 days. 7 days, the more times or the 2 times he or she can withdraw money from the bank, but uh, 3 times 4 times doesn't allow to withdraw money from the savings account holders. The another benefit of savings account holders, the savings account holders can take a certain rate of interest, but the rate of interest is very few or